Buenos días a todos, espero que ustedes estén bien. Este video es para hablar sobre esta semana de 18 de febrero hasta el 22 de febrero. Estamos en la semana 6 y el módulo 2. Vamos a ver lo que tenemos que hacer para esta semana. Si vamos aquí, estamos en Content y luego lo voy a bajar acá as Important Due Dates para ver lo que tenemos que hacer. Y acá abajo, módulo 2 todavía, estamos aquí en módulo 2 para el 24 de febrero. El 24 de febrero, antes de la medianoche, ustedes tienen que hacer el peer feedback. ¿Okay? Ustedes tienen que hacer el peer feedback de la presentación 1. Okay? So you need to do the peer feedback by this Sunday, February 24th at 11:59 p.m. of the oral presentation. And as always, we have the VHL activities and partner dialogues. So vamos a ver exactamente qué es el peer feedback. Okay? ¿Qué es el peer feedback? Vamos a ver. Aquí estamos, módulo 2, presentaciones orales. Okay. And we'll go up here to the instructions. Here is the peer feedback instructions. Here. Oh, yeah. So let's go down and see. After posting your oral presentation in VoiceThread, provide feedback on your partner's presentation. Okay. Orally and in Spanish, respond to 2 classmates' videos by following the steps below. 50% of your peer review grade will be taken off if you submit your feedback in written form. So watch the presentation, reply with 3 things you learned, comment on 1 thing your partner did well and 1 thing they could improve. You will not receive full credit if you do not address all of these questions and if you do not do it orally and in Spanish. Okay, there's no time limit. You don't have to reach a certain amount of time in your comment. What I'm looking for here is that you're responding orally, that you're responding in Spanish, okay, that you are commenting 3 things you learned, 1 thing they did well, and 1 thing they could improve on. And I am going to edit this part just to make sure that it's very clear that you need to respond to 2 people's videos, not just your partner, presentation, right video and presentation, and 1 other classmate's presentation. Okay? You should respond to. You should comment on 2 videos. If your partner did not submit an oral presentation, pick 2 classmates' videos to comment on. Okay, so I want to make sure that this makes sense. Okay, you should be making a total of 2 comments. 1 should be on your partner's presentation and 1 just on any other classmate. If your partner does not submit an oral presentation, just pick 2 people to comment on their videos. Okay, so I hope that that clears it up a little bit so that you understand what is expected of you. If you do have any questions, please let me know. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to our VHL page. These are the activities that we have for this month. You have 16 assignments, and the partner dialogues are here. Cultura, análisis, literatura, reacción. Okay, so those are the 2 different ones that you're going to be doing in groups in your partner dialogues. Okay, so one thing that I wanted to also talk about with the partner dialogues is if you are having trouble with the partner dialogues, you need to contact VHL support. And if we go back to Module 1, okay, and we have this instruction here, Partner Dialogues, VHL, or Zoom, it says, it gives you these options, right? How to complete your chat. So it shows you how to do troubleshooting, and what is the student tech support. If you're having issues, you need to call them, make sure you're provided with a ticket number, and then an email with a summary of your case. Then you can send me that information in order to make sure that your partner dialogues get turned in either using VHL or using Zoom, okay? I'm not going to accept you guys sending me like voice recordings or FaceTime calls of the VHL dialogues because that's not how they're supposed to be submitted. Okay, these are the steps that you have to take. Another thing that you can do is don't wait until Sunday at 11 o'clock at night to start your partner dialogues, because then if there are issues and you're not able to complete it through VHL, that you're able to follow these steps so that you can turn it in the appropriate way. And that way you guys can receive full credit. So please make sure that you're following these steps when you're having issues with the partner dialogues with either VHL. The only people that should be using Zoom is the group that has 3 students that I have already told them that they can use it. Other than that, you should not be using it.